Zaka, what did you do with Dada today?
Flowers.
You planted flowers?
Yeah, but not yet. It's small one. It's not big one yet.
Oh, can I pick it?
No.
Oh, not yet?
It's not big one. It's not big, huge one yet. It's small one, tiny one, tiny one.
Okay.
We don't take seed and plant it.
You and Dada? How?
Yeah.
How did you do that?
We don't take seeds in the dirt. Like we don't take a shovel for dirt into grass and cut it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's gonna be a flower for you. Big, huge yellow one.
Big, huge yellow one?
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
But it's not big, huge yellow one yet. It's small one, tiny one.